Hello viewers, this is Ahmed. I welcome you to Research Watch video series. Here you can get the key idea of published research papers within 5 minutes. Viewers, the research paper I am introducing in this video is about sustainable agriculture. Viewers, doing more from less is a way of dealing with the environmental challenges of the day. It is a way of sustainability. The young researchers from Fatma Jinnah Women University has worked out such a way in the field of agriculture. The lead author is Ms. Shazia iftikhar. The researchers conducted an empirical study to determine the plant growth response of biochar derived from wheat straws in both arid and semi-arid areas. The experiment was conducted for 40 days in greenhouse in both the areas. Viewers, the results of the study shows that the biochar fertilizer is the cost-effective and environment-friendly way of improving plant growth and soil fertility as well. Doing more from less is possible. The paper is published in Communications in Soil Sciences and Plant Analysis in 2018. I appreciate the work of young researchers. I hope the video would have helped you to select the paper for your further reading and research purposes. I also hope that you will like it. Viewers, Research Watch is a new initiative. We will be happy to receive your feedback and suggestions for improvement.